Welcome back to the channel and Hot Car Track. We have a little bit of a showcase today. You might have noticed right down the end of the track there's been this green truck sitting there. Well, this truck was sent in by VARIAT SKUNKWORKS, and he calls this one Old Grump. Now, this truck was never meant to be raced, it was just meant as a diorama piece around the track. However, we've been chatting online and he said, mate, do you mind running it for me? I said, absolutely, let's give it a crack. So I reckon let's go for a couple of runs and see how she goes. But before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about it. This is a Hot Wheels 52 Chevy step side. Now, VARIAT has obviously customised this with larger wheels, custom axles. He's lowered and opened up the wheel well, along with added weight and a stack of detailing around the truck. How good does this look? Alrighty, let's go for a couple of rips around Shorty. There you go, VARIAT SKUNKWORKS. Not a bad run by Old Grump. Some mighty fine times, I've got to say. Mind you, give it some traffic and I wonder how Old Grumpy would go around Shorty right here on Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Put some comments down below and have a chat about it if you like. The fantastic heats will resume tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. Catch you later.